Can you hear me?
Yeah, sir.
Chalo then, let's begin. ಈಗ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಯಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆ 26 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಬಚ್ಚೋ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ 5 + 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, 15 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ರೈಟ್? 15 marks. And remaining, yes, remaining all, here we have objective oriented, that we'll discuss right now. Short answers ide, right? So that means 2 marks ide. Okay, so 4 + 6 and 15 all together we are going to get that 26 marks here. Chalo bachcho start karte hain. Sir, 1 marks the questions yele dave. Here is that. Let's start the 1 marks questions. And yeah, Abdul Khader को भी, you know, Abdul Khader. Define price relative. Define price relative. Price relative ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸರ್? ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, price relative ಅಂದರೆ we are going to compare the base price with the current price. Correct? P is equal to current price when the base price is P naught into 100. Okay, so yes, you can expect this question for 2 marks here. Right? Price relative formula baribeka, formula ಗೆ 1 marks ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. If you get a same question for 2 marks, price relative is the price of the current year is expressed as percentage of the price of for base year. All right, so next answer ಈಗ next ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. All right, next, write the formula for write down the formula of the value of the index number. Value of the index number, yes, P1 Q1 divided by P naught Q naught. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್. yes ಬಚ್ಚೋ 100%. Write down the formula of value index number. Value index number ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಸರ್? V01 where summation of P1 Q1 divided by P naught Q naught into 100. Next answer ಈಗ TRT. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ TRT. TRT ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ? P01 into P1 naught is equal to 1. बच्चों केड़ी अराउंड 6 marks इल्ले theoretical question करता था वो. Correct? TRT and FRT. State the condition required to satisfy the FRT. FRT is a P01 into Q01 is equal to V01. Right? Remember this बच्चों 1 marks questions you can get it. CPI kind of questions you can expect. Write the formula for computing the CPI. CPI, that is family budget method. Summation of WP divided by summation of W. Right? Ist baribeku. Yeah, 1 marks. 2 marks is same question. You can get it. Ile P andre ಏನು sir? P andre P01 divided into P01 divided by P1 divided by P01. Sorry, P1 divided by P0 into 100 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Name the index number which satisfy both. ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ? both TRT and FRT. ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಿರಪ್ಪ ಅದು? ಫಿಶರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಿಶರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಚ್ಚೋ. ಫಿಶರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಎಂದು ಎಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೇಳೋದು ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ 0 ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾ ಹಾಂ ಜಿ, ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಚ್ಚೋ. State the method used to compute. State the method used to compute the consumer price index number. ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅದು? ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ 1 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್. 26 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇದ್ರಾಗ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? 26 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಯ್ ವಿಠಲ್, ಪ್ರಿಯಾ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್. ಯಾ 26 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಹಾಂ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ನೀನು. ಈಗ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಸ್ ಎ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 1 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ರೈಟ್. ಈಗ ಸರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಗೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಬಾಬಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್? ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ 2 ಯೂಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಯಾರ್ದು ಉಪಯೋಗಗಳು? ಯಪ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಈಗ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ specialized types of averages. One, right? Index numbers are expressed in ratios, but for comparison it is expressed in percentage. Yes bachcho, we have 2 here. Next question from this chapter will be ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಜಾನ್ ಅದಾವೆ. ಗೆಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಸೂನ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ನೌ. 26 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಚ್ಚು, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ 26 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿನ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಇದು. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ತನಕ ಇರ್ರಿ. ಶೇರ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೆ. ಕೀಪ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ. ಯಾ ವಿಠಲ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ, ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್. ಈಗ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸರ್? ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. The sum of price relation of 5 different commodities. Price relation of 5 different commodities. In ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು summation of P ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 200. Find the suitable unweighted price index number. ಕೇಳಬಹುದಾ ಸರ್? ಎಸ್. ಈಗ 5 is equal to ಏನು ಸರ್? n is equal to 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್? ಅನ್ವೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಅನ್ವೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? P01 is equal to summation of P divided by n, that is 200 divided by 5. 5 ones are you can say that 540s are. 40 is the right answer bachcho. 40 is the right answer. You got it? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಟೂ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಪಕ್ಕಾನಾ ಸರ್? ಹೂನಪ್ಪ, 100%. ಇವಾಗ if is all possible, if you saw complete this chapter today, tomorrow onwards we will take theoretical distribution, right? And yes, we will solve some of the previous question paper also. If the price relative is 140, right? Price relative is what बच्चों 140 means price they given P is equal to 140 we have. The price of commodity base year P naught is 160 or 60 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Then find the current year. So they want us to find out P1 ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ. Very simple ಅಲ್ವಾ, just now I told you right, P1 divided by P naught into 100 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸರ್ ಈಗ 140 is equals to ಬಚ್ಚೋ P1 we don't know right, so P naught that is 60 multiply by 100. So what else we are going to get, tell me, is the answer? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ if you multiply this to this ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 140 multiply by 60 divided by 100 is equals to P1. so ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು 0 ಹೋಯಿತು, 16 into 14 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, $14 into 6 that comes 84. All right बच्चों, any doubt? अर्थ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? And yeah, I know that I can see 12 guys are joining on the YouTube. Please like ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ, like ಮಾಡಿ the video ಅನ್ನ. And now onwards every day we have live session for you बच्चों, get ready. And yes, after second PUC if you're planning for CA Foundation, join us. We are here to help you out to clear your results. CA Foundation, yes, for November batch. Let's start the next question. Yeah, what is that, sir?
Sir, if you want to join for CA batch, register is last date, sir. Register last date.
You have time, bacha. You have time. If you want to register, you can register now itself. It's a 9,100 fees, right? And you can put the result like awaiting for. You got your hall ticket number, right?
Yes, sir. Hall ticket number is good, sir.
Not a problem. Once you finish your exams, call me. I will help you out.
The section will be live or online?
Yeah, live session will be online, bacha, because that is the best, I guess. Because ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಡಿಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲಿಸಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೈವ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ಇರೋದು ಪಿ ಜಿ all that going to cost you a lot. And again the big question mark is that result, because offline class once over we cannot repeat once again, but in online class what happens, you can watch all the recorded classes, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is advantage. We have study material, you can get access for easily. And yes, we'll ensure that you clear your result at first attempt itself. CA Foundation November attempt we will finish it.
First attempt, November.
Yeah guys, on the YouTube, this is my number, just call me 7204310030. This is my number, call ಮಾಡಿ. If you are interested for join this one CA Foundation, yes, this is my number, let me know. चलो next question बच्चों, here is the next question. If quantity relative is 250 they have, means Q they are given, right? 250 we have, correct? And comparatively our fees is too less. I know that in Bangalore and all they charge for 35,000 40,000 rupees for CA Foundation. Our fees is only 11,000. And yes, we are going to ensure that you clear your result at first attempt. November means November, we'll not drag it further. This is a guarantee we are going to give you. The quantity is that current year is 120. बच्चों Q0 is 120 here, and Q1 we don't know. Can you find बच्चा, please tell me? Sonu, Q is equal to Q1 divided by Q0 multiply by 100. Q1 we don't know the Q1, right? Q0 it's 120. Q they are given 250 multiply by 100. Tell me बच्चों. हाँ जी, 300 we got. If the quantity relative, this is fine, quantity for current year, oh hold on, बच्चा they are given current year, it is not the base year.
Yes.
Current year they given, right? I was in hurry. Current year they given, that is current year. कितना बच्चा current year is 120.
150.
So that means 250 is equals to 120
120.
divided by Q naught into 100. Correct? So what we do, we are going to multiply this to this, right? 250 into Q naught is equals to this. You multiply this to this. कितना आएगा? 12,000. So Q naught is equal to uh, 12,000. ठीक है? 12,000 divided by 250. How much is that? Hedama, divide this.
48.
48. Is he right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's solve the next question for 2 marks. Mention the steps in the wall 9 नहीं चाहिए. Okay, here is one more question for 2 marks.
Sir, after our exam, can I call you for the CA foundation or further information?
Surely you can. Why not? You have my number, right?
Yes, sir.
Just WhatsApp me. I'll help you out.
Yes.
Given what they given? Yeah, summation of P1 Q naught is equals to बच्चा 1980 they given. ठीक है, and summation of P naught Q naught is equal to 1800. Calculate the suitable index number, they said. Tell me which is the suitable index number we have here. Last praise, right? Last praise, right? Past praise is look a very simple. I'll give a trick. Remember this: 10 00 11 01, right? 10 00 11 01. Yes or no? Yes or no, bacha? Now what they given? They given 10 and 00. That means they given this, right? Correct? So that means bacho very simple. Last praise it is P raised to L naught 1 is equal to हाँ जी that is 1980 divided by 800 into 100. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೀರಮ್ಮ? Tell me बच्चों, can you please like it? Like the video in YouTube, and those who are new to channel, please.
110, sir.
110 exactly. बच्चों very fast because long way to go now. Is a matter of 29 marks, 26 marks. That means we have to practice more and more.
So stat is still more late, sir. We can take in that in after 16 we can practice stat.
हाँ जी. But again,
So that we have there's an echo full theory on this, sir.
yeah, I love to take the business now. What happens? This is a committed, so I don't have any problem because now BCom 5th semester like completely over now for them. Like all syllabus is over, revised is done, last minute revision is done, and the most probable question also done. But for now, PUC is the one that we need to finish in order. So once we finish this, yeah, economics and the quotation like no, I have given most important questions from economics. Yeah, I'll need to start from business, but statistics, many guys are lagging behind. I mean, they are personally calling me saying, sir, thoda le lo, class tagodi path ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. That is why, bacha. No, Kelly's index number, what it says?
Yes, sir.
Find the Kelly's price index number.
Network issue.
P raised to Q naught 1 is equals to, bacha, summation of P and Q and summation of P naught Q. Remember this. Multiply by 100. So this is the Kelly's, right? So yeah, 450 divided by base 400. Multiply it by 100. Is बढ़ते? How much is that? 450 divided by 400 into 100, that is 112.5, I guess, right? 112.5. Yes or no? Yes, you are right, बच्चों. I'll give 2 minutes time. Make it fast. Solve my header now. Which is a suitable? Tell me. Same thing.
Sir, carries.
How much is that, bacha?
112.
Same, you got it. 112, you got it. Yeah, you are
Yeah.
right. Yes, you can say that p raised to k naught 1 is equal to summation of pq divided pq1 p q divided by summation of p naught q is equals to multiply by 100. So that means 672 divided by 600 multiply by 100. How much bacha?
112.
112. So next 2 marks from this question you can expect that. Explain the TRT and FRT. Either 2 question also you can expect from this. Theoretical marks is more in statistic as compared to, if you want to get out of it, all subject from this year we have to focus, all subject we have to focus on theoretical part. If you don't focus on theoretical part, gone. So what the TRT says, what the FRT says is that price computed forward multiplied by price computed backward is always equals to 1. Look, very simple. What they say is price computed forward is multiplied by price computed backward is always what, bacho? Equals to 1. So this is your time reversal test. That is P01 multiplied by P1 naught is equal to 1. Okay, next is what? FRD. But FRD we are going to multiply by change in the quantity, right? That is equals to change in the value, that is price of the money, right? Equals to total money value, called factor reversal test. Okay, so what's your next question we have? Before proceeding, next question for 5 marks. Remember one thing. This is the trick I use for all the classes. Even now also you remember. For TRD, FRD, right? And everything, for all that we are going to focus. Here is that. Look, that is 10, 0, 0, 11, 0, 1. Correct? And to that we are going to multiply it by 100. Always. Remember this, bacho. Remember P naught, Q naught. Very simple, right? Bacho, 10, 0, 0, 11, 0, 1 for everything. If it is factor reversal test, same thing. 10, 0, 0, 11, 0, 1. 11, 0, 1. Bacho, if you change the factors, what? Q, P, Q, P, Q, P, and same thing, bacha, QP. You have to multiply this with 100. Correct? And bacho, whenever we are going to start the factor reversal test, how we are going to do that? Simple. You got it now? This trick you understood? 10 0 0 11 0 1. 10 0 0 11 0 1. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್? ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗ ಸರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಟೈಮ್ ರಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಎಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಡು ಬಚ್ಚೋ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋನ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಲುಕ್, ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋನ್ ಟು, ಓಕೆ, 10 0 0 11 0 1. So बच्चों this is a P Q P Q P Q P and Q, right? Again we have the way we are going out, right? Similarly we have to come back. Sir, how do sir ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡಲಿ? ಹತ್ತು 0 0 11 0 1. Once you calculate that, again we have to put it same thing ವಾಪಸ್. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರ್ ಇದು? Yes, I'll do one thing. I'll solve on problems, you'll get on exactly. ठीक है? ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿಪ್ಪ, what we do that, we use this Fisher's index number, right? PQ and PQ multiply by PQ and PQ, correct? ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? 10 0 0 11 0 1, correct? So to this we are going to use that PQ and PQ, PQ and PQ. Listen, so we get some values here. Will agree or not? So this will be summation of P1 Q0, summation of P0 Q0, summation of P1 Q1, summation of P0 Q1. हाँ जी? Yes or no? Yes or no? So what we do बच्चों? The way we are going, right? Again come back. What we get? 0 1 0 1 1 and 0 0 1 0. See the process. Just have a look here. See the process. It start like this. 10 0 0 11 0 1. Correct? Again what we are doing? Again coming back. P0 Q1 0 1 1 1, again 0 0, again 1 0. Understood this now? The way we are going it, again we are coming back. That's it. You will get 15 marks for this. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಸೋನು,
Yes, sir.
is he right?
Yeah, sir.
10 0 0 11 0. That's it. Chapter khatam. So let's solve some problems on this. And yeah, 15 marks I want to solve. Okay. Let's start with the first question. Once I complete this 10 marks question, bachcho, I'll go for the 5 marks. ठीक है? So bachcho, yeah, as I told, we have to write everything, items and all, but just go through with the problem what they said. Find the Lasprais, Pastures, Fishers, even I'll take Dorbish Bole, right? Marcel Joworth, everyone's formula now, and accordingly we will finish it. Item, this is your P0, correct? This is your Q0. Yes or no? Yes or no? Listen, this is your P0, this is your Q0, and here we get P1 Q1. In make a PQ, P and Q, P and Q, P and Q, P and Q. This is your Hattu 10 0 0 11 0 1. A 6 50 10 56. B 200 2 120. C 460 660. D 10 30 12 24. E 8, 40, 12, 36. Can somebody tell me multiplied बच्चों please fast. सुनो, just multiply बच्चा.
Yes,
Fast.
sir.
Tell me. Hattu 0 0, right? Hattu we have.
60.
1 second. Yeah, we have P1 here and Q not here. So to this we are going to multiply. Tell me.
60.
60 na 60 ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ.
P1 Q0, sir.
P1 Q not 15 to 100 500
Sir. 200.
200
360.
360 480 I guess.
360.
हाँ जी.
Sir. Yes.
Add this all.
$1,900.
1000.
900.
Next.
300.
1 second. Next. 300 200 240 300 240. Add this बच्चा. Add this.
1,280.
280. Next.
560.
1 second. Next. 560.
240.
Okay.
360.
Multiplied. 360.
288.
288. Add this.
4.
How much?
Sir, 360 double time more, sir. For 6 into 6, 360, sir. 12 into 24, 288.
288.
Up on this, sir.
Okay,
288.
next one 480, right?
Yeah, sir.
मल्टीप्लाई करना इन्होंने हमारे पास 432 आई गेस.
432, sir.
हाँ जी बा.
Yes.
टोटल mana mana.
$1,880.
Next. Q not Q1.
6 into 56. 336.
336. Muhammad, you said sir wrong. Which one is wrong, bacha?
240.
Bacha, this one add madi.
300.
Muhammad says, 1 second. It's P naught Q naught is 1360. Is that right? 1 second. Yeah, Muhammad, 1 second. Hold on. Let me check this now. Yeah, 300, 200, 240 and 300. This one is how much? अरे बाबा 320 हो गया ना. ऐड मना मदना. 300, 200, 240, 300, 320, 1360. Next is what? P P naught we have Q naught here. Multiply mana big bigga.
240.
First one 240.
No, sir. Second one.
Okay.
240.
Again 240. And the last
36 into 288.
288. Which one?
1344.
1000.
344.
1344. Okay, remaining you know that, right? Let's solve this fast and finish it. First, last price P01 is equal to summation of 1000 1101 1900 divide by 1360 into 100 1880 divided by 1344 madam ಎಷ್ಟಾಗದು tell me ಬಚ್ಚಾ ಬೇಗ ಆಗಲಿ
139.70.
first one 139 points
39.70.
and this one
139.88.
139.88. Next, what they want us to find out? Fishers, right? One 139.70 into 139.88 root tagiri adak into no need to do 100 now. Why? We have already calculated, right? Tell me bacha estaಗುತ್ತೆ
139.7.
139.7
8.
Perfect. I'll give 10 minutes time. Yeah, 10 not 10 minutes, less than that. I mean 5 minutes tagotri. Solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ last pre passage. After that I will finish this one Marshall Edgeworth. Will you do it now? Marshall Edgeworth and Dorothy probably will finish it. But first I want last praise, Pastures, right? And Fishers. Do it. I'll give 2 minutes time. I mean 1:30 agide. I'll back in 10 minutes. Do it fast.
Okay, sir.
या बच्चों बेस ईयर प्राइस दे गिवन and base year quantity they given. P1 they given, Q1 they have given. 10 1000, right? चलो जी, let's start. A 6 current year they given 10 base, okay, 50 they given, right? So listen, while solving the problems we need to be very much serious here. This is your base year price P0 and current year P1 and base year Q0 and current year Q1. Four and 6, 60 and 60. Yes or no बच्चों? Next D 10, 12, 30 and 24. E 8, 12, 40 and 36. Tell me सोनो कितना आएगा?
500.
कितना? Which one?
P1 Q0. 500.
Okay,
200.
500, 200,
200. 360. 288.
288,
432.
500, 200, 360. How much?
288.
288.
Next.
ना रे बाबा, चेक करना.
P1 Q0.
ನೋಡ ಮಾಯ್ಲೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ P1
360.
Q0, correct? P1 Q0.
Q0, sir.
ಓಹೋ ಯಾ ಗಡಬಡ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲೋ. 200 and this 360. This one is 360, right?
Yeah, sir.
Next
432.
432.
32.
कैसा? How come? 480 ಬರ್ತಮ್ಮ?
12 into.
Getting confusion, I guess.
Yeah, sir.
Next, don't get confused. Listen, one second. We are just multiplying this to this. First, we have to multiply this to this now. Next, we have to multiply this to this now, right? I mean,
Yes, sir.
P0 to Q0.
200, 240, 300, 320.
320.
Total 1360.
What about this one?
That's one 1900.
1900. Okay.
1360.
P0 Q0. 1000.
360.
Next, 560, 240, 360. 24 into 12. Yeah. 24 into 12, that is 288.
288.
Next,
432.
432. Add up now.
1880.
1000.
880.
Hoda. Next is what? P naught Q1.
336.
6 into this one, right?
56. Yeah, sir.
336. Next.
240.
हाँ जी.
240. 240. 288.
288.
$1,344.
1344.
Yes.
Chalo, we got all now. Yes, we got it. Now, bachcho, let's follow the formula. What is the first formula? Last price, purchase, and everything will cover now. And Marshall Edgeworth, the Dowdwish Bole, that also we can cover it. But first, P raised to last price, purchase, not one. Hattu 00 multiply by 100. Hattu 00 Hannandu 01 multiply by 100 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ
1139.70.
1900 divided by 1360 into 100 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ
139.70.
139.70 ठीक है. Next 1880 divided by 1344 into 100 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Tell me बच्चा.
139.88.
139.88. Past feature root of summation of PQ and PQ into summation of PQ and PQ. 10 00 11 01 multiply by 100, right?
Yes, sir.
So bacha, it's very simple. 139.70 into 139.88 looks similar, huh? Oh my god, same problem we are repeated 2 times. Multiply root ತೆಗಿರಿಪ್ಪ ಅದರದು
139.78.
139.78. Yeah, repetition is mother of all knowledge, bacha. It teaches you to be perfect. To be perfect, we have to repeat the same questions 2 times 3 times. That's fine. Now अभी क्या होगा? P raised to ME Marshall Edgeworth is equals to what? Yeah, summation of PQ plus summation of PQ divided by summation of PQ plus summation of PQ. ठीक है? This is multiplied by 100. So ಏನು ಸರ್ ಈಗ 10 ಓಹೋ 1101, right? $1,900 divided by 1360 plus 1880 1344. Whatever we are going to get, we are going to multiply 100. Tell me कितना आएगा? 1900 plus 1880. That is
3780.
3780. 1360 plus 134.
2704.
Yeah. Three seven eight zero divided by 2704
139.79.
into 100 कितना आएगा 139.79. This is your martial arts work. Next, Dorbish body, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is Dorbish body?
Half of summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0.
That okay, fine. That is fine. You can directly write last pray
Yes,
and
sir.
passage. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, half of 130
139.70.
plus 139.88.
Half of
139.
279.5.
डिवाइड बाय 2. ना रे बाबा कितना आएगा?
No, sir, I told total of that. The answer is 139.79.
Okay. $139.79. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's solve one more. Economics you are preparing, right?
In Kannada, sir, first.
ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಿದೆ?
9th,
Okay.
Thursday.
Listen, what they given? P naught they given, right? P naught.
Economics is this, because business is little.
Okay, I'll take the classes on this. So you can do this now. I'll give the homework. ठीक है? ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾಳೆಪ್ಪ. ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಸಂಬಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾ ವೆರಿ ಸೂನ್ ಹಿ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮೀ ಟು ವೆನ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್? ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ 9th, 3 days are left, right?
13.
9th. Kannada is when?
9 is Kannada,
Okay.
13 is economic, 16 is business. After business, we have 1 week gap, sir, for English.
Okay, for 1 week we have. Okay, no problem.
That time only you can go start account English.
Now you want Kannada? One executor is.
Start preparing for Kannada. Yes, sir?
I have spoke to somebody. He's a very proficient in Kannada. He's a Kannada ex-lecturer. I need to check. Let me call today. Let him call. आज कॉल करूँगा उसको. मैं कॉल माताड़ी मार रहा हूँ होतो.
Yes, sir. Only 2 days, sir. Please do fast for that.
P naught we got it right. Okay, we want Q1. Divide by P1. Listen, they are given here expenditure and expenditure. So this expenditure is nothing but bacho, yes, it is P naught Q1. With this we can get what? By divide by P naught, we get Q naught. चलो 5 they are given, 25 they are given, correct, 25. So Q naught is 25 divided by 5 is 5. 10 they are given, 60 they are given. Sixty divided by 10 6 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ B 1 10 10 divided by 1 C 4 14 ಇದೆ 14 divided by 4 3.5 yeah 8 40 40 divided by 8 D 2 they are given 40 they are given 40 divided by 2 15 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ so bache we got all now. So what we have to find out is that listen 0 0 we got 10 ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೀಗ P1 Q naught you got it, what it did, understood this?
Yes, sir.
So just multiply it.
Mm, 50.
Which okay, listen. So what we have to do is that we got the P1 here and we got the Q naught here. So we have to multiply this, right? 50 and next is 20 and next is 3.5 into 8 कितना आएगा 3.5 into 8 that is 28 20 into 5 that is 100 correct. P naught Q1 here we have P naught, here we have Q1 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 30
Real.
12 20 and 15 into 2 30. Add up this now. Tell me. I'll give this homework to you. Try to do it because I have one more class right after this. Okay? And I'll talk to Kannada sir, Manjunath sir, and if he agrees, definitely we'll schedule some classes for Kannada. Okay now?
Okay, sir.
ನಾನು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕಳಿಸಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದು 2-3 ಕಳಿಸಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಕನ್ನಡಗೆ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್
Okay.
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅನದರ್ 2 ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ 1 ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು
Sir, today business class there is.
ಬಿಕಾಮ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಮ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ
Sir, tomorrow and after tomorrow there will be class or no, sir?
ವೈ
Exam there is, sir.
ಟುಮಾರೋ ಯು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್
No, sir. From ninth exam, sir.
ಓಕೆ ಐ ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸರಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ
Okay, sir.
ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಹಾಂ
Yes.
ಓಕೆ ಬಾಯ್ ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್ ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ಶೇರ್ ದಿಸ್ PDF with you.